Okay, for the demonstration of the P-chart template I created, I'm going to use a problem in the text. It's 18.5, and what we need to do is go to medical records file. Let's open that one. Med records is the one. I'm going to copy this data. There it is. Copy this and close the data file so I don't corrupt it somehow. And then over here I need a worksheet over here so I can look at the data before pasting it into the A, B, C columns. Okay, so what we've got here is that they're looking at number of patients that were discharged and how many of their records did not get processed within a 5-minute time limit they've set. And they're trying to see whether or not they're in control or out of control on hitting that target of 5 minutes for processing the records. So first thing we want to do is copy this data over here to column A. One through 30 is going to be probably the same as already there, but we'll see. Nope, there's an extra record there, so I need to take that out. That comes from another previous chart that I made. So we've got day 1 through 30. The other thing is we need to know how many, what's the total number. Control Shift down arrow, Control Shift down arrow, then copy this, take it over to here and paste that in. Alright, so that's the total number of patients that were discharged. And the last one is going to be the ones that were non-conforming. We'll Control Shift down arrow on that, and we'll copy it, and we will paste it right here, and that gives us our P chart right there. And we're out of control. We want to cross the upper control limit here, below it here, crossed it here, and crossed it down here. So we are not where we want to be. We are out of control. We are hoping to have more patients processed in less than 5 minutes than we have. So we've got work to do to figure out what's going on. Alright, so that's how I did that problem, and so you can use this as a template. The data will come to you in different forms. That's why I recommend you always paste the data over here first and then put it over into those 3 columns. That's the end result of what you have, and sometimes you have to manipulate to get it into the form you need to put it in these 3 columns. Also, be sure you check down here that you don't have extra columns down here. You may have had a previous problem you did where there were 36 data points and now you only have 30. You want to take those out. Okay, so that's basically how it's done for the P chart using Excel, and of course on PHStat it's pretty straightforward, so I didn't do a demonstration on that. Okay, so if you have any questions on this, you let me know in the forum. Thanks.